But, you know, yeah. I mean, I look at to Sandra, you're a big woman. You're a married woman. You have levels and respect. You know, you have to know when people come to help you and better your life more than when people come to destroy you. And the help where Tommy helped me, I would never try, like, put no danger to it by even try pass me place to even say, Tommy, you're sexy. Never. Never. It's levels. I will never look dear to. I will never look sweet cherry baby. I will never look purple rain. Because I have respect. They are elder. I will never look Miss Cut. I will never look rock. I never look Tommy Trouble. None of my past shooter them. I never look them. I have respect for them. I ever have respect for them. Me now jeopardize my relationship. You know, for them. No, real talk. Me now go jeopardize the relationship that I have with them for nothing at all. Yeah. That's why I tell you, say, if a code. So if Tommy say a movement. You see me? If Denny say a movement, but I will never ever jeopardize my friendship that I have with them. You know, for nothing at all. I really talk. I will never ever do that. And I meet Tommy last month, and I should say, Tommy younger than enough I get them with an ex-gang on TikTok. Jesus Christ, they're gonna beat me now. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh God. And yeah, Tommy don't need no liposuction. Yeah, Tommy, you don't need no liposuction, Tommy. You look like you're 18 years old. Belly skin and all. Belly skin out of do. Hey, some on TikTok look whole. You know, no face look whole. Hey, tell you something, you know. Yo, bro, me tell you which big woman like look on her face. Vix. Chop up, big woman friend. When Vix in like box man, I just put on my glass and look on Vix face. Vix have a beautiful face. Vix have a young girl face. Now I really talk Chopper. She just like no I really talk, bro. Chopper, she just look. You know? Yeah, dog. And I saw Tommy look to, bro. Me I tell her, bro. Pepe what go on. Me I tell her. Your baby face. And listen to me. And listen to me, I tell you. All our young girl them on the live when start bait for now 3 times a day. Cause the big woman them a go and run for the money, you know. I mean I tell them this again. The big woman them a go and run for the money. The big woman them a go and run for the money. The big woman them a go and run for the money. You need to start look back on yourself good. You now look good. Hey Paris, me have a blood clot bone for pick at you too, you know. Hey, Sandra, around with me, because when you come out of a relationship, you're going back to your husband, because he say street rough. Paris, this morning, me come and fire you, now you a suck out man tongue. So, Paris, you tell me say you're single. Paris, this a relationship and you. Oh, you come and suck out man tongue this morning, and fire you page, Paris. Boy, me can't tell you, yeah. Me not miss salt. Paris, me see up and fire you page, I got man. No, Paris, me I say, I go on me. Me not fire you page. Me not see a fire you. No, you me see. Me know you me see a suck out man tongue. I kiss up man. Me say, watch Paris. Doing me blood clot a history I go all the way today. Doing from Philippines, flip up, Philippines, flip up. Me not see you. Doing what go on. 10 tour in a one. Come here, doing a whole heap of things I'm doing. I be things. Doing me miss you know. But me I tell you something. Boy. Me I tell you something. You know young girl forward here come like you born rotten teeth and no blood clot mouth. Me not tell a lie. Forward here, if young girl let me come like you born with permanent rotten teeth. No. CSI. CSI. No man. It come like them man. Young girl like them born with permanent rotten teeth. Me say, Jesus Christ, it hurt me sometime. Me say you're young. Yeah. No, do it, I'm a dog, man. I want to man doing some full legs, you know. No, me said, Jesus Christ, man. Oh, God. Oh, you're young and you look so. Take care of your teeth. Your first impression is your teeth. Don't come away, so. I'm going like, oh, no. See, like when y'all Yannick smile, I'll be a pearly white me I see. I say, yes, man, that me love see. Smile like a diamond. Some man no smile and come like a rotten teeth and like one of them charcoal. You move in front of me, yeah, man. Hey. Sometimes I see Alianika sleep, I'm just going and just look over her and looking at her eye when she asleep and say, I'm happy. If you ever dream about now that blood clot, man, I shot your ass box right now. I'm just put all my ears in her mouth and see if she allow. I call no other name. If you ever call no other name, I shot your blood clot box in your sleep and run out of the room, I think I dopey box you. Every night. Every night. I say if you ever whisper and I shot your blood clot box and I just run out, you think I dopey shot your box in this. Savage, remember say me a forward a Sons New York. Link up my dog. Me not tell such man nothing cause agree my style with. And me not tell Father Rush nothing cause my style with. We link up 2 times now, we link up and then link up. We not take no styling from no man. But me like girl with clean mouth. Some man on the breath hot. Like, why you put a lighter on my neck? Why you young and your breath so hot, you a dragon? He's a young dragon. Your mouth hot. Like, yeah, dragon breath. Go on here, man. Sometime, let me tell you this. Bad man. Faha. Chopper. You may say, Chopper, you know what I need to tell you? Dragon breath there. No, I really talk. You may say. Save your money. Don't make nobody tell you say, don't go get your liposuction. Mama, save your blood clot money. And you see fuck up shape where you have ton blood clot Barbie doll. Go do your body. Go and go do your body. Go and go do your liposuction, mama. Fix your shape. Get your big body and come back. Go and go do it. Put on your far do your teeth them. Yeah, yes, Orion. Do your body. Do your body and come out. Maddy man them. Do your lip too. Pump up your lip in the ear. Pump your lip. Like how I see them a pump their lip. Pump your lip. Put out your lip. Look good, mama. Come now, mama. Come. Come, mama. No, get up. Get up, mama. Get up. If you did a put 30, 50 dollars on the boy gas tank at the time, top put the gas. Start saving. Your body have to do. Your shape fuck up. Come, get your shape up. Get your shape up. Mama, leg of the boy, mama. Leg of the boy, we are hold on your blood class shape. You're not shape good already. You're not shape good already. You want hips? You want flat belly? You want your breast them a poke out me eye? Sometimes I say, mama, sit down in my lap. See me, huh? Can your breast them a touch your blood clot neighbor? Mama, your breast them a juke out my blood clot, yeah. Use your breast them and juke out my pussy clot, yeah. Me don't like long breast. Long breast, me don't like it. Go do your breast, mama. Get your breast them stiff in the blood clot here. Long breast, me don't like it. Mama, get your breast them stiff. If the boy where you're there with can't help you do your breast, make somebody do your breast them and give him to suck you off. Him not deserve to suck off your breast them when them do. If the boy can't give you money, come mama, if when you turn back way, you look like hyena. And he can't send you money for when you turn back way, you look like blood clot, Barbie doll. Mama, you not walk. Because sometimes when someone not turn back way, you don't look like hyena, you know. You not teeth sharp. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get up. Make the boy go do your body. Sweet cherry baby, I mean, I make sweet cherry baby not do nobody. Make the boy spend a piece of food. Paris, me can't see you do your body already, you know what no more. Yes, you look good. Go around this now. Odi. Let me tell you what you want. You don't want nothing, you know. You just want to go gym. Because you're thick already, you know. Oh, Jesus Christ, no pre-me KK. I just see her and my eye never lock. Because I just have to look for my teammate, them who did it on my side. And who are cheer for me every day because they did have in the street 2 years ago. One man did a spread in the ex-gang, say ex-gang woman them ugly. But hold on, we come to a point now. We did have to look. So I look for Audi, you don't need no liposuction. You don't need. Hey, Island girl, what do you? When time I this year, Island girl, you this fat. What do you when you do a dance on the live when I just meet you? I say, Island girl, I want to take a rock stone and beat your blood clot with it. What do you come down, your Island girl, you look good. Island girl, you look good. Island girl, you look blood clot good. I say keep it up. But 10 tour in a one right now. I say after I set a boom now. Now, Audi, you don't need nothing more than guy gym. Guy gym and run around your yard couple times. Tommy, go over there, so. You don't need nothing. Shanty, you pussy all, you know. Go over there, so. I don't know with you in Shanty. That me I tell you too, you know. Nothing me not with you. Maker, go over there, so Maker. Mums. Yo. Yo, brother, man them in a ex-gang walk with your blood clot. All pretty face Terry. Pretty face Terry right there, so. Me not see no man a half of a Terry. He wall on a half of a one blood clot woman in a ex-gang. He wall on come like a merry blood clot ground. Look how Terry look good. Look how Mums look good. Look how Hardy look good. Look how woman, I mean, I see, who wall on come like a one ginger blood. Angie, look how Angie brown and sexy. Look how Shanty look good and the wall on come like a blood clot ginger flying. No, me, you never, Father Rush, don't come blood clot drape up my shot. You never hear me call Ginny name. Call Chevy. Jesus Christ. You don't hear me call nobody name. You never hear me call Ginny name out of my mouth. Me know your woman and me left your woman name out of my mouth. Don't come and so come attack me, bad man. Don't come and so come say me. Me no call your woman name out of my mouth, you know, my boss. Me say me did hear me a look. I never look on Ginny. No come to me with no argument, my boss. Me no look for your woman. Yeah. Sandra tall. But me tell you, Sandra tall. You know them tall cock up there that are Sandra. Yeah, somebody tall I forgot there with Sandra. Yeah, but hear me I say. Yeah. It stand now. It stand short, but it stand. So, if you get what me say. She look about so, but she so. So, if it stand for go do body, you're going to look like ants. Like when ants pregnant, your body just going to set so. So if it stand for go to body, it going cock off so. Because no, it's not, if you don't get what me I say, listen to what me I say to you, and listen to what me I say to go no good. Me I say, you know that girl there. So if you do body, it going to look like pampas. So you don't need none of that. And that me I try to tell Instance, so she don't need none of that. She don't need if you do no body or none of that. And that me I tell her.